Today we're going to make homemade ranch dressing. Don't buy that bottled crap. There's no telling what all's in it, and we're finding out more and more every day that this stuff just kills you later. So it's very simple to make your own ranch dressing, and it is delicious. So I was going to make a double batch, but I didn't have enough sour cream because I'm going to be frying chicken tenders tomorrow, and I would like to have leftover ranch for that, but that's besides the point. So we're going to do a 1/4 cup each of sour cream and mayonnaise. So simple to make your own. Doesn't take long. And of course, they do prefer you use whole egg mayonnaise. But as you can see, I'm using olive oil mayonnaise because that's my preferred. I do use whole mayonnaise sometimes. I kind of flip-flop it around. I'll probably go through 2 jars of olive oil, and then I'll buy the regular and go back to the olive oil. I like the regular, but I also like the health benefits of doing either the olive or the avocado oil mayonnaise. Okay, so that's my 1/4 cup of that. And the sour cream, I probably only have about a 1/4 cup left, but I'll still use a clean in case it's not all. Didn't realize this was already open and mostly gone, but that's okay. Alright, so there we go. So milk or buttermilk, it doesn't matter. 2 tablespoons. Alright. Now we want a teaspoon of lemon juice or white vinegar, but in using buttermilk, we don't essentially need that vinegar now. So I'm going to omit that in this one because I used buttermilk. So we want a 1/4 teaspoon of each parsley and dill. I do not have parsley. I'm out, I think. Let me check. Yes, I have ran out of parsley, so I'm going to double up the dill, which means I want a 1/2 teaspoon of dill. Which is pretty much your main flavor that you get in ranch. Alright, so it also wants dried fresh chives, which I do not have, so I'm going to use onion powder. And I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon. This is a 1/2, so I will just use 1/2 of that. Alright. And then garlic powder also is a 1/4. And then an 1/8 of salt and pepper. I don't have an 1/8 teaspoon over here with me, so we're just going to wing it. I really don't want a whole lot of salt in there. And that's it. That is it. And you will be surprised how good this is. Your own homemade ranch dressing that you know what's in it without that titanium white and all that crap. And the right husband.
Oh yeah.
Alright. And there you have it. Homemade ranch. Delicious. Give it a little taste. That'll be good. It's nice and thick. It's not real runny. What I'm going to do is, in just a few minutes, I'm going to make ranch coleslaw to go with our dinner today. And then the leftover ranch we're going to have with our chicken tenders that I'm going to make tomorrow or the next day. So this will not go to waste, and hopefully it will be enough. Oops. So I'll probably use about 1/2 of that in my coleslaw that I'm going to make in just a few minutes on camera for you. And there we go. Homemade ranch. Took like less than 5 minutes.